Hello and welcome. I am going to teach you a simple way to create shadows and relatively realistic illumination, all of which will be visible in the material shading mode of the 3D viewport. After watching this 3 parts tutorial, you will be able to create shadows and illumination, both of which will be rendered instantly with the use of the OpenGL rendering. Yes, indeed, with the technique that I will teach you, you will be able to render shadows much faster than if you were using the render engines, because you will be rendering directly exactly what is seen in your 3D viewport. Your render times will never be the same, once you learn those techniques. So, let's begin with the illumination. I will assume you already have a scene to test this technique. Just so you have an idea of the size of this scene, this object is approximately 3 kilometers wide. To give you some more perspective, I will zoom in on the characters. As you can see, this scene is entirely dark, as there is no illumination yet. These 2 characters will have their shadows appearing on the floor directly on this 3D viewport. So, make sure that you are on the Blender render engine, using the material shading display mode for the 3D viewport, and then activate ambient occlusion in their world tab. Also, activate the environment lighting. Set the energy value to 0.090, using the sky texture as the source. Now, you will notice that there is some faint light on the scene, which was generated by the sky background's texture. Activate indirect lighting. Okay, now I will show you the position for the main sun lamp. I assume you already know how to create a lamp object, so I have created my lamp beforehand. The sun lamp needs to be at a distance of 6 to 7 kilometers from the center of the scene. You can adjust the angle of your sun lamp, in whichever way you feel like. To get the best results, try to position it with an angle close to 45 degrees or so. Okay, now go to the sun lamp's object data tab. You may notice that my scene is still dark. This is because I haven't activated my sun lamp yet. When I click the specular checkbox, the sun lamp is now generating specular illumination. Now, if I click the diffuse checkbox, the sun lamp will allow me to see the diffuse color information for the objects of the scene. As you can see, we have some pretty good illumination going on. Note that the energy value for the lamp is 1.8. On this next segment, I will teach you how to create the high-quality 3D viewport shadows for the characters of this scene.